Good morning, you guys. We've made it to Zach's beautiful lake. There he is. Taking out my new boat. I'm not gonna do too much yapping. We're just gonna get out there and go get them. Right, cowboy? Okay.
Oh my God.
I have one. That was not a big topwater blow up at all, and it's a dink. I just lost my first smallie of the year. That's okay. I could let him be a little bigger. Alright guys, topwater wasn't working that much, so I got this wacky rig. Wacky rig usually always works here. Except for last time. Oh, I just missed one. I don't have my worm anymore. You didn't break me off. Okay, no you didn't. The fish. Yeah! Zach's got a fish. Do you want the net?
Yeah.
It's on my backpack. Yeah! First fish of the day, guys.
Fish I've caught on this boat. Should have coughed me.
Show him the fish. Here it is. Yeah! Little 1.5, 1 pounder. Oh my gosh, watch this. Oh my gosh, there's fish busting right in front of me. Right in front of my eyes.
Get that on camera?
What the hell?
Dude, what the hell you burn?
I got one. Get the net. Come on, don't let this guy come off.
He dodged it.
How's he not strip and drag? My drag ain't that tight. Yes!
Thanks for letting us know.
First fish of the day, not that big. Not as big as X, but I'll take it. Oh, you have one? Oh, Zach got one right before the storm. Where there's thunder, there's lightning.
That one really high.
Show the fish. Yeah. When I was on the dock, you made it to a new lake up in northern Wisconsin. Almost caught a bluegill. All right, we're taking the pond prowler out. This is my little fishing boat, taking it out on this lake. Pretty calm over here. It's pretty warm out, so we might stop and swim because it's hot. Well, it's looking pretty good. I think we're gonna get out there, hopefully catch some bass. Yeah. Try not to laugh. Dude, I thought you stepped in a pothole or something. Wait. Oh yeah, the plug's in there, remember?
Rock is somewhere.
All right, guys, we're back. We're in the water now. Zach lost his crock under the boat. Oh, sorry about that. I might leave part of it in. But we're finally in the water.
Mainly though. So far so good.
Like it's the way the bait's moving around because of the. I caught a rock bass. That's my. What's good? Is that actually dead? Nope.
It looked dead.
I know. I thought it was weeds and it wasn't. It did not fight at all.
It looked dead.
This is my first rock bass ever. Believe that?
I literally caught my first rock bass last weekend ever.
Oh. Do I have another dead rock bass? I think I do. Or no, is that just weeds? It's a rock. It's another dead rock bass. Why do rock bass not fight? Is that just a thing?
They did at Lake Lucerne.
Is that just a thing with them? They don't fight?
No, they were at Lake Lucerne. They were fighting hard too.
Another rock bass.
Well, obviously he is hooked.
Oh my gosh, that's a big bass. Oh, that's like a 2.5.
Hey, that one's mine.
Not anymore.
Holy crap.
There you go. Fish. You want pictures?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Thank you. There's gotta be something under there. Yep. No. Alright. Finally caught one after years. Thank you. I wouldn't have caught that without you. There he is. Yeah. I almost missed the release. He almost hit the side of the boat. Have a fish on. What is that? Oh, it's a largemouth. I'm bringing it up.
Good colors on him.
I know. Super bright. What?
Oh my god, what a fish. Oh.
Do you?
No.
Uh-oh.
I had a hook set in for like,
I think that's
like I'm casting.
Oh no, it's not.
Because we are going in
There's-
circles.
Yeah, I know. There's another one, guys.
We have.
Weeds.
That's where you need the reverb. Reverb part. 808 part.
Oh, I have a fish. There you go. Oh, Zach, there's a bigger one right behind it.
Spot lock.
I wish. Dang. Same size. The other one was like a little bigger. Did you get him?
It just felt heavy.
There's another one.
Pretty much breathing.
Oh, that's right. That was a... Oh, no.
Pike? Or a muskie?
It was a pike. That was my favorite chatterbait.
Is that Joe's?
Yes, that was Joe's. Yeah, I'm recording again. You got a fish? It looks like it's running. Oh yeah, it's a tiny pike.
Oh, it's a huge pike.
Is that your PB? Do you want me to grab the line? Oh, never mind. Okay, that's good. The one thing, got one? Ooh. No! Oh, I thought it came off. It broke your thing off. You want me to grab his lip? Almost slapped me with that feller. Second best one of the day. Is he bleeding? No. Bang! Got you wet. You still want to go swimming, or did you get your fix
No,
in?
he didn't. No.
He's all scared. I see you. You're scared. Okay.
You ever seen that video?
The kid going down the slide. And if it was a campsite, I don't think they'd have all those cabins. Like that big cabin. Maybe there's some around it. Wow, you guys had a lot of kids. Oh, it's wet. It's wet.
Get him in.
Oh.
So I have to deal with this now. Oh, hold him.
Why?
My rod's going in.
I got it.
Oh my god.
Want me to unhook him?
Yeah.
He ripped his nostril wide open.
Did I?
Yeah.
See you later, buddy.
Here's the fish Zach just
Watch
caught.
him eat it. Right at the.
He got me
underneath the boat.
and caught. Oh my gosh. I think I just had a fish on. Maybe I'm tweaking. It felt like a fish.
I wouldn't doubt it.
I don't have a lead on or nothing. No, he doesn't. Oh God. Oh my gosh. That scared the hell out of me. I hope so.
I really hope it was going right.
Dude, it was, I thought it was gonna hit me. I was fully bracing for impact.
Wait, how much do you weigh? Wait. Okay. I was actually thinking 15 now.
Is he fighting
Big
so
one?
far? Yeah, big one.
You needing that?
Sure.
Yeah, don't cook me fuzz. My wrist is breaking. Did he?
Cuzzo. Did we double up? Are we doubled up, Zach?
No.
Here he is, guys. I forgot how many fish I've caught. A little healthy son of a gun. Yeah, I see how it is. I'm gonna catch a fish now. Watch.
No.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, you told mine.
I did. I never said what fish. I never said what fish it was gonna be.
I actually thought that was a bluegill for a second.
Come here, fish! Did you see that?
He's like,
He was like,
them on the tube.
he was like bouncing.
You took him tubing.
Oh yeah, guys, see ya.